kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about words beginning with the sound of the letter P. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter P. Are you ready? P is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter P. How to write the uppercase letter P? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter P. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Lift. Go back to the starting point. Slide right curve forward to the red midline. Slide left. This is a lowercase letter P. How to write the lowercase letter P? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter P. Start at the red midline. Pull down straight below to the blue baseline. Push up straight and circle back to the left all the way around. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter P. P is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter P sounds as P. P. P.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Let's read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins with P. P, A, paw, pan. P, E, pear, pen. P, E, pea, pig. P, O, paw, pot. P, A, paw, puppy. Pa, pe, pea, paw, paw. Pe, pa, pea, paw, paw. Pa, pea, pe, paw, paw. Po, pa, pi, pe, pa. Pa, pad. Pa, pan. Pa, panda. Pa, papaya. Pa, pants. Pa, park. Parrot. pasta. Peg, pen, pencil, penguin, pepper, pet, picture, pillow, pin, pink, pizza, pocket, pond, fork, pot, potato, pug, pumpkin, puppy, purple. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter P. Pad, pan, panda, papaya, pants, fork, parrot, pasta, peg, pen, pencil, penguin, pepper, pet, picture, pillow, pin, pink, pizza, pocket, pond, fork, pot, potato, pad, pumpkin, puppy, purple. More words beginning with the sound of the letter P. Peach, peace, pearl, pie, pineapple, planet, plane, plant, plate, play, ray. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the picture is P. Pin. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is pan. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is peg. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is potato. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Pajama. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is pumpkin. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is pencil. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is purple. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is pot. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is pizza. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is penguin. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter P. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter P. Pray, plate, pineapple, pie, plant, play. Practice writing the letter P on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.